welcome back to my channel Future Generation in Mathematics. Today my topic is what is principal diagonal. Principal diagonal means let A is equal to Aij m by n. Order must be m by n. Aij elements be a square matrix. It must be a square matrix of order m. Then the elements Aii are known as elements of the principal diagonal. What we'll call it as an elements of the principal diagonal. Another word we'll call it as an leading diagonal. The elements is called principal diagonal or leading diagonal of a matrix. Here the matrix must be a square matrix. Suppose I will tell example, you can understand. Here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. How many rows and columns? 3 rows and 3 columns. It is a square matrix. And what are the diagonal elements here? These are the diagonal elements, no? 1, 5, 9. Here these elements is called principal diagonal. What are the elements? Like that we can write here. What is this first element? First element place A11. Second element place A12. A13. And next A second row, no? First column. A22, A23, A31, A32, A33. Here what are the diagonal elements? A11, A22, A33. These are 3 diagonal elements. If 3 by 3 means. These diagonal elements is called leading diagonal or principal diagonal. These elements is called principal diagonal or leading diagonal. Next one is a diagonal matrix. I will tell what is the difference between principal diagonal and diagonal matrix also. Here what is a diagonal matrix? If A is equal to Aij, n by n is a square matrix. It must be a square matrix such that all non-diagonal elements. Here these are diagonal elements. Non-diagonal elements means this one. All non-diagonal elements are 0. All non-diagonal elements are 0. Then A is called diagonal matrix or quasi-scalar matrix. We call it as a diagonal matrix or quasi-scalar matrix. I think you have understood. I will tell with example, you can understand. I am writing 1, 0, 0, 0, 2, 0, 0, 0, 3. Here what is the matrix? 3 by 3 matrix. It is a square matrix? Yes, it is a square matrix. What are the diagonal matrix? 1, 2, 3. These are diagonal matrix, no? And non-diagonal matrix must be a 0. Then it is called diagonal matrix. I think you have understood. Principal diagonal matrix, they have elements. Non-diagonal matrix have elements. But in diagonal matrix, non-diagonal elements are 0. I will tell in the form of elements. What is the first one? A11. Next one must be 0. Here 0, A22, 0. 0, 0, A33. Means these diagonal elements, except diagonal elements, non-diagonal elements are 0. Then it is called diagonal matrix. I think you have understood what is a principal diagonal matrix and diagonal matrix. Diagonal matrix we will call it as a quasi-scalar matrix. Next, identity, or we will call it as an unit. Identity matrix or unit matrix. If Aij is equal to must be 1 when for I is equal to j. If Aij is equal to 1, every Aij elements must be 1 for I is equal to j. Aij is equal to 0. Here Aij must be equal to 0 for I is not equal to 0. Here I is equal to j means what will get? 1. I is not equal to j means what will get? 0. Then the matrix Aij n by n matrix, it must be a square matrix, is called unit matrix. The matrix must be a square matrix. Then it is called unit matrix of order n. And it is denoted by In. What is an identity matrix? If Aij is equal to 1, when I is equal to j. Aij is equal to 0 for I is not equal to j. Then it is called unit matrix and it is denoted by In. Here order must be n because it is a square matrix means n by n we will get, no? That's why. I will tell example you can understand. Here 1, 0, 0, 0, 1, 0, 0, 0, 1. How many rows are there? 3 rows and 3 columns. Here first it is a square matrix. Yes, it is a square matrix because m and n are equal. And we will see the diagonal elements. Here. What are the diagonal elements? 1. When I is equal to j means we will get 1. Other elements must be 0. You can write, you can understand by writing this one. What is the first element? First element place A11. Second element place A12, A13. Here A21, A22, A23, A31, A32, A33. M rows and n columns. Now what is in here? M rows and n columns. How many rows are there? 3. 3 rows and 3 columns. Here when we see this matrix, here first one is what I told, I. Second one is j. When I is equal to j, what will get? Aij element 1. Here A11 same is there, no? That's why we'll get 1. Here also you can see what is there here? A22. Here I and j are equal, no? 2, 2. When what will get here? 1. Next third one A33. A33 means I is equal to j, no? What will get? 1. See here next I is not equal to j. What will get? Aij is equal to 0 you get. Here I is not equal to j means here ij. 1 and is not equal to 2, no? 1 is not equal to 2. Therefore we will get 0. Here also 1 is not equal to 3. You will get 0. Like that every element must be get 0 and this diagonal element are equal, no? I and j are equal. That's why we will get 1. This is called identity matrix or unit matrix because we will get only 1. Here 3 by 3 matrix, no? We will denote it with unit matrix with I, and here 3 by 3, no? 3 will write. I3 matrix. I will tell another example. I2. 1, 0, 0, 1. This is a 2 by 2 matrix. The diagonal elements are 1. Next we'll see what is a scalar matrix. Scalar matrix is an in a diagonal matrix if all the elements of the diagonal are equal. All the elements are equal is called scalar matrix. In the diagonal elements must be equal. I'll tell example you can understand. Here suppose 2 0 0 0 2 0 0 0 2. What is the order of the matrix? 3 by 3. Here what is the diagonal here? This one. All other elements are 0. Here 2 2 2 is there, no? This is called scalar matrix. Here identity matrix means only you will get 1. Here in scalar matrix the diagonal must be a same but not be 1 or maybe 1 or not. Suppose identity matrix also scalar matrix. Identity matrix is also scalar matrix. Another example I will tell. You can understand. 5 0 0 0 5 0 0 0 5. What is the matrix? 3 by 3 only. Here the diagonal elements are equal now 5 5 5. Means this is also scalar matrix. I think you have understood what is an identity matrix and what is a scalar matrix. Every identity matrix is a scalar because you can see here 1 0 0 0 1 0 0 0 1. It is also 3 by 3 matrix. All the diagonal elements are equal. But scalar matrix need not be identity matrix because identity matrix must be only elements must be 1. I think you have understood what is an identity matrix and scalar matrix. Thank you.